Is Terra Luna Classic making a comeback? That's exactly what it's looking like. This week it's been absolutely pumping. Here's what you need to know. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about Terra Luna Classic, a project that was doing pretty alright right before it crashed and wiped out, and now it's basically in a rebuild phase. Looks like from collapse to comeback, Terra Luna Classic shows signs of revival, and here's whether or not you should load up on some Terra Luna Classic. Let me know what you guys think about Terra Luna in the comment section below. Before we do that, I want to take a second to highlight this pre-sale gem that's been going absolutely crazy, and it's raised $4 million in the pre-sale alone, guys. And one day in 21 hours they're having their next price hike. So if you want to buy in this Pepe themed token that's been taken over, now is your last chance to buy at these super low prices. Link in the description below. It's Pepe Unchained with better speeds, better gains, and same delicious Pepe flavor. Instant bridging between ETH and Pepe chain, low transaction fees, high volume capacity, 100x faster than ETH, and dedicated block explorer. Right now, guys, they're currently paying at AP of 471%. You heard that right. You're not getting rewards anywhere else like this. So if you want to load up now, link in the description below. But let's go back to Terra Luna Classic, because we've seen Terra Luna Classic source up 30% in 7 days. But will Luna see a price correction? Terra Luna's price has increased in double digits in the past 24 hours, which helped it trend on social media, causing people to really talk about it and try to hodl over and see if they could get in. Terra Classic has been gaining spree as its price increased by more than 30% in the past 7 days, according to coemback. In the 24 hour alone, witnessed a 16% raise. At the time of writing this, Luna C is trading at this price with a market capitalization of 509 million. Alongside its trading volume increased by 160% in the past 24 hours. Generally, a rise in volume among the price acts as a foundation for a bull rally, indicating investors' willingness to trade the token. AMB Crypto looks at this sentiments data, reveals that the bull rally has also a positive impact on social metrics. The token's social volume increased sharply, meaning that Luna C's popularity was rising. Nonetheless, it's surprising to note that weighting sentiments remain in negative zones, suggesting that a breach in sentiments was dominant in the market. So will this rally last? The technical indicators MACD display a clear bullish advantage in the market. However, the relative strength index, the RSI, registered a slight downtrend, which could cause trouble. So we're really wondering, is this just a mere pump, or is this going to cause Luna to make a comeback? It's still kind of in the unknown. I guess we're waiting to see what happens. We got to see the charts because, again, volume alone is looking pretty bullish. Talking about volume, we take a look at some technical data, and we're seeing oscillators are neutral, moving averages are buy, giving us a summary of buy as people are loading up. News articles are going crazy. So much mention about what's going on with Luna C, what's going on with the case, and all that's going on that could help pump this price. We're talking about news. We're seeing more articles even on Google just pouring into the market. We see Terra Luna Classic votes on key proposal. Luna C rebound is happening. Terra Luna Classic votes in a rollout of a community website. The site will drive users to the network following reduce and since 2022. USTC is up 17% and continues to soar as positive developments are trickling in. Not just that, guys, Luna Classic is trending on coemback, currently at number 17. It's up 27% on the 7 day. In terms of the 24 hour, we are down 5%. In terms of the month, we're down 7%. But a $500 million market cap, guys, this could be indicating some bullish momentum, right? Especially people who bought in earlier, you're going to definitely see a surge, right? Luna eyes a 341% surge, bullish divergence signal breakout. As you see, clearly boost Terra Luna amid community incentives. Luna C prepares for potential turnaround with strong investor sentiments. People are getting bullish on this project, guys, and if you want to see the latest and greatest Luna news, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as we're going to be covering this project closely to see how this project rebounds. Overall, crypto market starting to look bullish again. Bitcoin back at 64,000 range. Fear and greed index currently at a 58 neutral, which is looking pretty positive as well. Slowly coming back towards greed, which is what we want. We want money in the market. Luna C is trending. The prices are pumping. Lots of money's entering the market. You know, 7 days up 27% is not too shabby. The main thing is the community is bullish, and social media has just been going absolutely crazy over this project. But again, like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. But do let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish for Terra Luna Classic? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.